benefit of Madam Court Reporter, please.
Would you please state and spell your name for the jury?
My name is Artesha Stewart. That is spelled A-R-T-E-S-H-A. Stewart, S-T-E-W-A-R-T.
And how old are you, Stewart?
I'm 27.
Have you always lived in Memphis?
Yes.
And where do you work?
I'm working at FedEx right now.
About how long have you worked in Memphis?
On and off roughly, I want to say since I was 19.
And do you have any children?
Yes.
How many?
One.
And what's your child's name?
Aaliyah.
And how old is she?
4.
I want to take you back to 2021. Where were you living at that time?
Living with my mom
And where was that?
in Memphis.
I'm sorry?
In Memphis.
Okay. And what was your street address?
5061 Stacy Road.
I'm going to show you what has previously been entered as Exhibit 67. Do you recognize that?
Yes.
And what is that a picture of?
My house.
Now, where were you working back in 2021?
FedEx.
And did you meet someone by the name of Brandon Isabelle?
Yes.
Did he also work at FedEx?
Yes.
Do you see him in the courtroom today?
Yes.
Would you please point to him and describe something he's wearing?
With the black and blue shirt and black tie.
Judge, I would ask that the record reflect that the witness has identified the defendant.
Thank you. You may be seated.
Now, did you actually meet Mr. Isabelle at FedEx when you were working?
Yes.
And at some point, did you start dating?
Yes.
Do you remember about when that was?
June 2021.
And where did he live when you first met?
He lived in Cordova on his own. What is that?
Where, I'm sorry?
He lived in Cordova.
Was he living with anyone at that time?
No.
Was it a house or an apartment?
Apartment.
And at that time, were you aware whether he was married or single?
At that time, from what I know, he was single. And then I found out he was married.
And to your understanding, were he and his wife separated?
Yes.
And do you recall what her name was?
Yes.
What is her name?
Zaria.
Now, did they have any children?
Yes.
How many?
1.
And what was that child's name?
Kingston.
And do you recall back in 2021, early 2022, how old Kingston was?
5.
Now, you said that you had one child, Aaliyah. Is Brandon Aaliyah's father?
No.
Did you have Aaliyah before you were in a relationship with Brandon?
Yes.
Now, I'm going to take you back to January of 2022. At that point in time, about how long had you and the defendant, Mr. Isabelle, been dating?
Can you repeat that?
Okay. Back in January of 2022, were you still dating Mr. Isabelle?
We were on and off dating.
And about how long had you been in a relationship, whether it was off or on?
6 months.
And at that point in time, had he moved to a different place?
Yes.
Where was he living then?
His parents.
Did they also live in Cordova?
Yes.
And were they in a house or an apartment?
House.
Now, did you know someone by the name of Danielle Hoyle?
Yes,
How did you know Danielle?
through Brandon.
Did Danielle also work with you guys at FedEx?
Yes,
And did you become aware that the defendant and Danielle had had a sexual relationship at some point?
yes,
Now, while you and the defendant were dating, did you and Danielle have any confrontations?
yes.
And when you say confrontations, what are you talking about?
More so of a he say, she say confrontation type thing.
Are we talking physical confrontations?
No.
Are we talking verbal confrontations?
Yes.
Did those happen face to face?
No.
How would those happen?
Through, like, someone would say something, bring it back to me. She would say, I would say something, they'll bring it back to her.
And would some of this stuff occur like over text messages?
Yes.
Now, did you become aware during that time period that you were dating the defendant that Danielle was pregnant?
Yes.
And what did the defendant tell you about Danielle as far as the paternity of her baby?
He wasn't sure if the baby was his or not.
Did he tell you that there was a possibility it was his?
Yes.
So I want to go to mid-January of 2022. What was the status of your relationship with the defendant?
We were broken up.
Is that something that had occurred multiple times in your relationship?
Yes.
Breaking up and getting back together?
Yes.
Was it sort of a constant of your relationship?
Yes.
Did you and the defendant have nicknames for each other?
Yes.
What were they?
Pudding and waffle and cookie.
And so who was Cookie
Me.
and who was Pudding?
Brandon.
And is it fair for me to assume Wifey was you as well?
Yes.
Have the two of you talked about getting married at some point?
Yes.
Did he at some point give you a promise ring?
Yes.
Now, in late January, how far along was Danielle in her pregnancy?
About to give birth in January.
Okay. And during that time period, how would you describe your relationship with the defendant?
Can you repeat that?
Okay, during that time period, late January, how would you describe your relationship with Mr. Isabelle? Was everything great? Were you guys still doing your breakup, get back together? Just describe for the jury what the status was.
Yeah, breaking up and getting back together.
Is it fair to say it was a little rocky?
Yes.
And during that time period, did you start seeing other guys?
Yes.
Did the defendant find out about that?
Yes.
Now, how did you feel about the defendant possibly having another child?
I wasn't too fond of it. Wasn't sure about continuing the dating.
And did you express that to him?
Yes.
Did the two of you text pretty frequently?
Yes.
What was your phone number at that time?
It was 901-896-5848.
Now, I want to take you to the early morning of January 31st of 2022. Were you and the defendant texting with each other?
Yes.
What was going on in those early morning hours?
I want to say he was with Danielle and I was at home, and we pretty much talked that morning after he was at the hospital.
Okay, so before we get to that, so early morning, January 31st of 2022, are you and the defendant texting back and forth?
Yes.
And what is your understanding as to where he is at that time?
He was at the hospital.
Was Danielle having the baby?
Yes.
And what was the tone of your text messages at that point?
Pretty much more so me being upset and him being upset, and pretty much me being over the relationship.
I'm sorry, I'm having a little bit of trouble hearing her. If we could just ask her to keep her voice up.
Keep your voice up.
Thank you.
Please. Thank you.
Could you repeat what you just said, that last sentence?
The last sentence?
Yes.
Pretty much over the relationship.
Now, you mentioned that later that morning, after Kennedy was born, you met up with the defendant. Is that right?
Yes.
And where did you guys meet up?
Mud out.
Was that somewhere that you had met up in the past?
Yes.
And why did you meet up there?
To talk to the defendant.
Were you talking about your relationship?
Yes.
At that point, did anything get resolved?
No.
Did you want the defendant to get a paternity test on Kennedy?
Yes.
And did you actually end up buying a paternity test for him?
Yes.
And where did you buy that?
Walgreens.
And did you get that paternity test to the defendant?
Yes.
Where did you take it?
Well, he took it. I took it to him at the hospital.
Now, I'm going to take you to the night of February 1st of 2022. Where were you at the beginning of that evening?
At the beginning of that evening, I was at home.
And is that at the Stacy Roadhouse?
Yes.
And what were you doing?
Pretty much just planning my daughter's birthday, my birthday, just at home.
Now, at the beginning of the evening, did you have Aaliyah?
Yes.
Did you keep her the whole night?
No.
Where did she go?
With her father.
Did he come pick her up?
Yes.
And later that night, did you end up going out?
Yes.
Now, before you went out, were you supposed to meet Mr. Isabelle that evening?
Yes.
Do you remember about what time that was supposed to happen?
6.
And where were you supposed to meet?
At my house.
Why were you meeting?
He wanted to talk to me and my mom about our relationship.
Do you know why you wanted to talk to your mom?
With her finding out about Danielle having a baby. So she found out about him having a baby, him being separated, and she felt like there was no more of the relationship that needed to be. So I guess with her knowing, he wanted to talk to me and her about it.
Are you and your mom close?
Yes.
Is she a protective mom?
Yes.
Does she want the best for you?
Yes.
Now, did he ever show up to that meeting?
No.
Was there anything significant about February 1st?
It was Brandon's birthday.
And do you recall how old he was turning in 2022?
25, 26.
Now, throughout that night of February 1st, 2022, did the defendant text you?
Yes.
We talked about this a little bit, but did you stay at Stacy Road all night?
No.
Where did you go?
I went to my cousin's house.
And what's your cousin's name?
My Asia.
Is she your blood cousin?
Oh, no. We just grew up together.
Is she someone you've known for a long time?
Yes.
And was it early evening that you went to see Myasia or later? Do you remember?
Late evening, I want to say around 10 o'clock.
And why were you going to meet Myasia?
I went to give her a deposit for my nails for my birthday.
And where did Myasia live at that time?
I can't give the direct address, but it was between North 2nd and Chelsea.
And was she living in a house or apartments?
Apartment.
At that time, what kind of car were you driving?
A 2018 Kia Soul.
Do you recall about how long you stayed at Myasia's?
Until 11.
And where did you go after that?
I was headed to Dixie Queen
Why were you going to Dixie Queen?
to get something.
Now, during this night, are you still texting with Mr. Isabelle?
Yes.
Do you recall if he asked you to get anything at Dixie Queen?
Yes.
Was that a little out of the ordinary?
Yes.
Why is that?
He normally doesn't eat Dixie Queen.
Now, when you were still out and about, did Mr. Isabelle share his location with you?
Yes.
Do you recall where that location was?
Walgreens at Elvis Presley and Raines.
Was that something that the two of you normally did in your relationship, share locations?
No.
Was it odd to you?
Yes.
Back at that time, what kind of vehicle did the defendant drive?
A Chevy Malibu,
And do you remember what color it was?
white.
I'm going to show you a picture, Exhibit 68, and see if you recognize it. Do you recognize that vehicle?
Yes.
Is that Brandon Isabelle's Chevy Malibu?
Yes.
Was he driving it that night?
Yes.
Did the two of you arrange to meet up?
Yes.
And where were you going to meet?
My house.
Now, who got to your house first?
Brandon.
And when you pulled up, where was he?
At my house.
Was he inside or outside?
Outside.
Was he coming out of the house or was he standing outside?
Coming out of the house.
And what happened when he came out of the house?
I was trying to park my car normally under the tree where his car is located. I tried to park my car right there.
Let me stop you just 1 second. Let me go back to Exhibit. This will be Exhibit 67. Okay. So, where would you normally park?
Under the tree, which is to the right of the Chrysler.
So over in this area?
Yes.
Okay. And then, so you pulled up, and what happened next?
I was trying to get him to move his car so I can park to have him drive his car because he told me that he went and got gas. I didn't have any gas in my car, so when I told him to move his car, he told me we didn't have any time to move my vehicle, so we had to drive my car
And where were you going?
to his mom's house.
Why?
He told me that he got a call from Danielle's brother and that Danielle was missing and that he wanted to talk to Brandon about Danielle's whereabouts.
And so you left Stacy to go to, and to be clear, are we talking about Mr. Isabel's mom's house?
Yes,
And is that the house in Cordova?
yes,
And who was driving?
me,
And to be clear, whose car were you in?
my car.
How was he behaving when you were in the car?
He was pretty much on his phone a lot, texting a lot.
Having been in a relationship with him for a while, was he acting like he usually did?
No.
What happened when you got to his parents' house?
When we got to his parents' house, he went in. I stayed in the car for a minute, and then I got out. And when we went inside, Brandon was crying to his parents.
When you got to their house, did you have any weapons with you?
Yes,
What did you have with you?
I had my Smith & Wesson .40 caliber and a lime green bag.
And why did you have this with you?
After the phone call that Brandon's father had with Danielle's brother, that I think he got a text from some guy named Cortez, and he said that they was going to come.
Just a second. There's an objection?
Withdrawn.
Go ahead, please.
He received a text message from someone named Cortez, and that they said they was going to come and do something. So, with my defense, I went and got my weapons out of my car.
Now, did you normally have your gun with you?
Yes,
Did you normally have the bat in your car?
yes,
And did you move those items into the Blackberry house?
yes.
Now, while you were there, were the police called?
Yes,
And do you recall who called the police?
yes.
Who was it?
Brandon's mom.
And did officers arrive on the scene?
Yes,
Were you eventually taken down to the homicide office downtown?
yes,
And did you give a statement to them?
yes,
Do you remember how long you were there?
yes.
How long?
8 hours.
Now, did you end up giving the police your phone?
Yes,
And did you agree to allow them to search it?
yes.
I'm going to show you a couple of photographs and see if you recognize them. We'll take a look at those. Do you recognize those photos?
Yes,
And are those photos of your car that you were driving that night?
yes,
Did the police actually tell you to search your car?
yes,
I'm going to ask that those be the next exhibits. Exhibit 76 and 77. You have permission to publish, Your Honor?
Go ahead, please.
What is that a picture of?
my car.
And what is that a photo of?
My daughter's tablet, my daughter's face mask, her top, and 2 drinks in the music corner bag.
And was that the food you picked up that night?
Yes.
Did you even get a chance to eat it?
No.
Now, during your relationship with the defendant, Did he have a gun at that time?
Yes.
And do you recall what kind of gun?
Glock. It was a 9mm.
Where would he normally keep it?
On his person.
Did he keep it in a waistband or pocket? What?
Inside holster.
That evening, when you got to Stacy Road, was that the first time you saw Mr. Isabelle that evening?
That evening, yes.
Artesha, just to be clear, you said that you saw the defendant at Stacy Road for the first time that night. Is that
Yes.
right? Had you seen him earlier that day of February 1st, 2022?
Yes.
And was that briefly at his house?
Yes.
I'll pass the witness.
Eric, can we just take a second to switch over? If it's-
Just a moment, please. Stewart. Ms. Stewart, if you'll please come forward and take the witness stand again, please. Before we broke, I indicated to you that you are still under oath. Mr. Massey has some questions for you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Go ahead, please.
Good afternoon, Ms. Stewart. You met Brandon, I believe, at FedEx
Yes.
in 2021
Yes.
and began dating around June. You knew him before you began dating him, right?
Yes.
Okay. You began dating him around June,
Mm-hmm.
and it's fair to say both of you were very attracted to each other.
Yes.
You know, both fell hard into each other.
Yes.
And fell in love with each other.
Yes.
And you had a daughter named Aaliyah.
Yes.
How was Brandon around Aaliyah?
He was very friendly, very caring for her.
And there were many occasions that he professed his love to you,
Yes.
both in person and on text.
Yes.
And vice versa, you did the same with him.
Yes.
He wanted you to marry him,
Yes.
and you wanted to marry him.
Yes.
If things could be, I mean, if we could get this drama that was all going on. So,
Yes.
we pass you up this plate. Thank you, Ms. Moore. Ask if you could recognize that.
Yes.
And that's a text from you, isn't it?
Yes.
And who is it to?
Brandon.
Okay. And what does it say? Read it to the jury, please.
The whole thing, or okay. I said, well, I sent a picture and I texted him and I said, I just want you to be my protector, my home, my peace. Most importantly, my husband. I love you. And he texted me back and he said, I love you too, baby. Do I read the cutoff?
And I'll talk with it up on the screen. Thank you. Third reminder, interview says the next numbered exhibit. Thank you, Mr. Wood. Now, Lois.
Go ahead, please.
This is a picture of you and Brandon together.
Yes.
It was all smiles then, wasn't it?
Yes.
And you told him you wanted, most importantly to do, you wanted him to be your husband.
Yes.
And he wrote you back, texted you back, and said, really the same thing back to you, I love you.
Yes.
And when I love hard. I told you my goal yesterday over dinner, and that's my desire. We fought too much. And then there's more to the text that evidently cut off. But you two had discussed being married
Yes.
and kind of formalizing your relationship.
Yes.
And to you, I believe, a relationship, it was like a statement, wasn't it?
Can you repeat that?
A relationship was like a statement of your relationship with each other.
Yes.
Let me pass you this. Give you back behind it, please.
Yes.
John, I'd ask that we made the next number exhibit, please. And that would publish that, please.
Yes, please.
Thank you. And who's the lady in the white t-shirt?
Me.
And what is that on your hand?
A ring.
And how did you come to have that ring on your hand?
Brandon bought it for me for Christmas.
Was it also a proposal?
No.
Was it a pre-proposal? Kind of
Promise ring? Yes.
promising. And it was promising you that you were, that things were going to work out and you two were going to get married.
Yes.
And the letter that he wrote you there, again professing his love.
Yes.
This love I have for you is so unconditional. I want to give you my all. You're growing into the woman I want to spend my life with every day, baby. You changed me and my ways. And you liked getting those letters from him at the
Yes.
time.
Yes.
Right. And you would send him back sweet letters to him. Or
Yes.
texts.
Text. Yes.
And I believe at that Christmas time, when you got that ring, he also did a video of you opening it.
Yes.
And had a picture where he showed the jury. One of the nicknames he gave you was Wifey.
Yes.
Right? Along with Cookie.
Mm.
And you called him Puddin'?
Yes.
What is that? Cookie and Puddin'.
Just names, nicknames.
These big names, supposed to be affectionate names.
Yes.
There was a problem with your relationship, right?
Yes.
That problem was Brandon was still married,
Yes.
although he was in a divorce, right?
Yes.
And he had a child
Yes.
named Kingston,
Yes.
and they were having a big custody battle over Kingston.
Yes.
And Kingston came to your house a lot of times, didn't he? Or a
Yes.
number of times.
Mm.
Pretty good kid.
Yes.
And in addition to Zaria, who he was having the divorce battle with, custody battle with, he also had with Danielle Hoyle, right?
Yes.
Or he had been with her, and she had become pregnant,
Yes.
and she was expecting a baby.
Yes.
And so this caused you concern. You didn't know if you wanted to commit to this, did you?
Yes.
But you loved him.
Yes.
But there was just, you had some concerns that you wanted ironed out.
Yes.
Were you and Brandon ever living together?
No.
One of your concerns was, I believe, that you were concerned about taking on 2 other kids.
Yes.
And if one kid's hard, and when you get 3, it's real hard.
Yes.
And you weren't really fond of the idea of having more children.
Yes.
And one thing that you felt, I think, is that fair to say you felt very strongly that if Brandon loves you, that he ought to be there with you.
Yes.
And not having to run around and do things for Danielle.
No.
No? Like having to go take things up to the hospital.
Can you repeat that?
Yes. One of the things you didn't like was him not putting his foot down, right?
Yes.
And one of the things he was not putting his foot down about is Danielle and his family and her family calling him when they needed something. And he would be with you, and he'd say, "I've got to go," and run over and do something.
Are you just referring to Danielle, or are you referring to Zaria and Danielle?
Well, of course, he had that probably from both.
Yeah.
Of course, Danielle was pregnant during this time. Zaria already had Kingston, and they were fighting again anyway.
Yes.
Did y'all do much talking with Zaria?
No.
She was not easy to talk with, was she?
No.
Both of you, is it fair to say both of you questioned whether or not the child that Danielle was delivering, whether Brandon was the father?
Yes.
And that was important to you. You wanted that resolved too, didn't you?
Yes.
And this whole situation caused you a lot of stress.
No.
Didn't?
No.
Okay. Sometimes didn't you feel like it was difficult to go forward with the relationship under
Yes.
those circumstances? That's the stress I'm talking about.
Okay.
Okay? So it would be fair to say that does cause problems with your relationship prospering
Yes.
and developing and becoming a marriage and a family.
Yes.
And I believe the state asked you, you two, as attracted as you were to each other, there was still on again, off again, break up, get back together, break up, make up, right?
Yes.
Now, most of the time, who was it breaking up?
Me.
Wasn't him, but hardly ever was it.
No.
And when you did break off from him, he would beg you to come back.
Yes.
And that happened more than once.
Yes.
That it happened each time y'all let her break up.
Yes.
And you would let him beg his way back
Yes.
because you loved him too,
Yes.
despite the situation.
Yes.
I want to talk to you now about January the 31st. That was the day that Kennedy was born. Is that right?
Yes.
And did you talk to Danielle that day?
Yes.
Did you talk to Danielle while she was at the hospital?
Yes.
Did you talk to her while she was in labor?
No.
Right before she had the baby?
After.
You talked to her after she had the baby?
Yes.
And your body DNA test,
Yes.
did you bring it to the hospital?
Yes.
And you and Brandon had discussed this DNA test a number of times, had you not?
Yes.
And the purpose was to see if he was the father.
Yes.
And Danielle wanted him to sign the birth certificate after Kennedy was born. She didn't want him to, did you?
No.
Was a swab done that day for the DNA test on Kennedy?
To my knowledge, yes. That's what I was told.
I want to talk to you now about February the 1st. Let me go back just a bit. On the 31st, you come up to the hospital. You talked to Danielle, and did you talk to Brandon?
Yes.
Where had you been before going to the hospital?
I was at a friend's house in Fraser.
Okay. Was he with you? Was Brandon with you?
No.
How did you never come to the hospital?
I was talking to Brandon.
Okay.
Texting.
You all talked a lot on the phone, didn't you?
Yes.
You FaceTime a lot too?
Yes.
And even when you broke up and had one of these break hearts, you would still text
Yes.
and talk and
Yes.
FaceTime.
Yes.
You just wouldn't meet personally when you were having these breakups. On February the 1st, you had to work at FedEx, right?
Yes.
And while you were traveling there, you were on the phone with Brandon.
Yes.
And before you got to work, you had to drop your daughter, Leah. How old was she? Was she then?
Then she was 11 months.
And you had to drop her off at your god aunt's house.
Yes.
And it was in Cordova.
Yes.
And generally, oftentimes your aunt and your god aunt would be able to keep Leah for you all day while you worked.
Yes.
But this day she couldn't, could she?
No.
She had somewhere she had to be, and so you left 4:30.
Yes.
About 12:30,
Yes.
and you picked up Aaliyah,
Yes.
and that was at the Cordova house where your god aunt lived.
Yes.
And that road, that street that your god aunt lives on, is the same street that Brandon's parents live.
No.
You know, close?
It's close.
Okay. And on the way back from picking Aaliyah up, did you see his car was there?
Yes.
Did you stop?
Yes.
Were you making up by this time, or was this still in flux as far as your relationship?
It was still rocky.
Still right? It
Yes.
still wasn't sure, right?
Yes.
He was sure, you just weren't sure, right?
Yes.
When you stopped at his house, did you stay there long? Did you guys talk a long time there?
Not to what I remember now.
Okay. The reason I'm asking is because I know you said to the state a moment ago that you went down to the harbor town and talked with him, met him there and talked.
Yes, on the 31st.
That was on the 31st. Okay. All right. What did y'all talk about?
We talked about our relationship.
And how you could fix it? Or what? How it could...
Wasn't sure. Wasn't sure about the relationship.
What you could do about it? Make it work, whether or not you were willing to
Yes.
give into this? It was a big commitment, wasn't it?
Yes.
And you were very cautious about it.
Yes.
And reluctant about it.
Yes.
Even though you loved him and wanted him to be your husband.
Yes.
How long did you stay at Brandon's house when you were coming, when you stopped on the way back to your garden?
I think I lived, how long did I stay?
Yeah,
I
you remember,
stayed
I know it's
probably,
like that.
I want to say about 15, 10 minutes, 30 minutes probably.
And when you stopped, was Brandon crying?
Yes.
I believe you were asked, was he crying real tears? And the answer was
Yes.
yes. Why?
About our relationship.
About you, right?
Yes.
He loved you, he
Yes.
wanted you with him.
Yes.
Did you resolve anything at that time?
No.
Did you hug?
Can you repeat that?
Did you hug? Did you hug? Were you physical at all while you were in that at his house?
No.
Just talk.
Yes.
And I guess one of the things that I think you used the word drama when you talked about it previously.
Yes.
You weren't the one bringing the drama. He was the one bringing the drama with a child and Mary
Yes.
and with Danielle, and she's delivering soon.
Yes.
You got two women there and children.
Yes.
And that's the drama, and but you didn't know if you wanted to step into it.
Yes.
But you didn't always have it, did you?
No.
You told him, though, that y'all worked together and you cared about him.
I guess, yes.
So,
Yes.
but you told him you didn't want to deal with that drama.
Yeah.
Okay. And that you shouldn't have to.
Yes.
And you left Brandon's, you went home.
Yes.
Stayed there most of the day?
Yes.
With Aaliyah?
Yes.
With your mom?
Yes.
Is your mom working?
No.
She's babysitting Aaliyah a lot, honestly.
Yes.
Grandmothers love to do that, don't
Yes.
they? And sometime late that evening, probably around 10 o'clock, that's when you went to your cousin's house,
Yes.
apartment.
Yes.
And apartment number 306.
Yes.
And you got there probably in the neighborhood of 10:30 at night.
Yes.
That's on the first, right? February
Yes.
1st. And you didn't stop on the way over there anywhere else.
No.
You went straight to her place because Brandon was coming to your house later.
Yes.
And you let your mom know,
Yes.
and she would let him in that way.
Yes.
Your cousin's apartment, is that in the Harbortown area?
No. Downtown area, Chelsea and Second.
Okay. But to go to that place, wouldn't you go over the bridge like it goes into Harbortown?
No.
On A.W. Willis?
No.
While you were at your cousin's, and I think you went there to put down a deposit, right?
Yes.
For your nails, to get your nails done?
Yes.
How much did it cost to get your nails done?
To get my nails done in total or the deposit?
Is it that big?
I did my deposit for 60. My nails overall was 85.
Okay. And Brandon texted you while you were at your cousin's.
Yes.
Where are you? Right?
Yes.
Because he was already at your house.
Yes.
And didn't you give him your location in, your locator where you push it on your phone and he can tell where you are?
Yes.
Okay. You sent your location to him. That's what I'm looking for.
Yes.
Okay. And told him you're on the way. They're coming home.
Yes.
And that was probably in the neighborhood of 11:30.
Yes.
You stopped by one Dixie Queen that was closed.
Yes.
Stopped by the second one that was still open.
Yes.
And so you went in and got some food.
Yes.
Took it with you.
Yes.
While, since you were just leaving your cousin's, Brandon went to Walgreens.
Yes.
And how do you know that?
He sent his location.
The location services showed him going to Walgreens.
Yes.
And you got you a single rose, a red rose?
I wasn't aware of it.
Okay. Did you come to find out later
Yes.
that you a red rose and some candy?
Yes.
When you got home, he was very anxious. Is that a fair description?
Yes.
And he told you about the brother contacting him on Facebook.
Yes.
And he told you about the brother saying that Danielle's car was missing, and she was missing, and the baby was missing.
He told me that Danielle's car been found abandoned and they wanted to talk to him about her whereabouts.
Okay. And they wanted to come talk to him.
Yes.
He asked if they could come to your place,
Yes.
and you said,
No.
you said more than no. You said
Yeah.
H no, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you meant that.
Yes.
So he gave them his mom and dad's location,
Yes.
and you guys went over there.
Yes.
Did you feel like he may be in danger?
No.
They were mad at him. Right?
Yes.
Didn't the threatening text that I think you talked about to the state say hey, bitch, we're gonna come, we're gonna come see you.
Yes.
So that's a threatening text.
Yes.
And, but when you went over to his parents' home, you took the pistol,
Yes.
40 caliber,
Yes.
and you carried it in your backpack. You
Yes.
had your backpack with you,
Yes.
and you had your, what'd you say it was, a lime bat?
Yes. Lime green.
Lime green baseball bat.
Yes.
And why did you bring those things?
Once I heard about the text message, that's when I got my weapons, because at that moment I felt like I was in danger.
And you already said he was anxious. You felt like he may be threatened too? Certainly his mom did.
Yes.
Because once you got to his house and the telephone call to his dad and this last threatening text, that's when his mom called the police.
Yes.
Along with the bat, did you leave the machete, it wasn't quite a machete, but it was like a machete, in the car?
Yes.
You didn't take it in with you?
No.
And you were going to stand by Brandon
Yes.
in this time of trouble? Right? Because you still loved him.
Yes.
At one point, I think the state was asking you about Brandon wanting to talk to your mom,
Yes.
and he didn't get to talk to her, I don't think, at that time. He texted.
No.
Huh? You pass this up to you and see if you recognize it. That help refresh your memory?
Yes, in December.
Not sure exactly when that was, but there's no date there on that.
It is
There is, what is the date, please?
December 23rd.
Okay. That was right around the time that you got the ring.
Yes.
Did you buy him a ring? Did I ask you that?
Can you repeat that?
Did you buy him a ring also? You just not give it to him?
No.
You want her to ask that we made an exhibit, please?
This is 3 pages, collective 80, or do you want to do 80, 81, 82?
Correct.
Oh,
Thank you.
may I publish, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
You do one at a time, and I'll do it. Oh, I can't see that.
I'm sorry.
This is a text that Brandon sent to your family. Right, trying to tell him how much he loved him.
Yes.
says, y'all might have heard this before, but I love Artesha so much, y'all, like for real. I feel she changed me. Used to be a cheater to my old women, but I don't even do that anymore, honestly. 100%. I've given her my full undivided attention, affection, love, and faithfulness. I think she makes me a better father, honestly. This was on the 23rd, right? What day did he give you that ring? Did it on Christmas Day or
Christmas.
Christmas Day?
Mhm.
This was right before he gave you the ring.
Yes.
She mean a lot to him, and now he just wants to spoil you. And basically, he's telling your family what a wonderful person you are,
Yes.
and how much he loves you,
Yes.
and how much he wants to be a part of your life.
Yes.
And if I may pass this text up to you. And if you could help with the time frame on that a little bit too, please.
Don't have a time frame on it.
Do you recall that one? Is that from you or is that from him?
From me.
You recognize it as being from you?
Yes.
I'd ask that that be made the next time we did it.
That's 2 pages, collective 81 is where I am. Thank you.
I think it would be fair to say that's close to around January 26th. Would you? Because after the rain thing in December.
I don't remember.
November. Okay. And basically what this is, said the jury can read it when they're in the back with it, but if you telling him how much you love it, you love him.
Yes.
It's almost what apologizing for some of the times that you back away. And it was just a tough situation, wasn't it?
Yes.
At the last of it, you say you're my first real relationship and hopefully my last. And you signed that to Isabelle's.
Yes.
That was because you wanted to be his wife.
Yes.
Last one I'll pass up to you, please. For the January 31st date. Is that a text? on the January 31st of 2022.
Yes.
And is it from Brandon to you?
Can you repeat it?
Is it from Brandon to you?
Yes.
And in it, what does he tell you?
Basically that he loves me.
And that's what they made the next exhibit you want to put.
To be clear, earlier before we started, this is the one that you want to basically use as a placeholder until we can get a color copy we anticipate on tomorrow.
We're going to show it as a color copy, but we're going to replace it with a color copy.
For the purposes of the record, this is going to be 82 that has to be swapped out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He said, do we have a number to give it for it?
82?
May I publish it on it?
It's published, Mr. Massey.
Can you make it bigger? Okay. Again, on January 31st, he's writing to you, calling you wifey,
Yes.
and he's basically looking forward to spending his life with you.
Yes.
And telling you he loves you.
Yes.
One more, please, Your Honor. Thank you, Ms. Stewart. I've got no questions.
Any redirect from the state?
Just briefly, Your Honor. Ms. Stewart, the night of February 1st of 2022, you testified that you and Brandon were texting throughout the night. Is that right?
Yes.
And when you ended up meeting up in your vehicle, did he tell you whether he had seen Danielle that night?
Yes.
What did he tell you?
He said that he met her in a map code and exchanged of baby clothes.
Now, I want to just briefly talk to you about that last exhibit, Exhibit 82. So you said this green portion, that is a message that Mr. Isabelle sent to you. Is that correct?
Yes.
And the blue portion, is that your response?
Yes.
Are you able to read that to the jury?
Yes. I said, just take care of your children, Brandon.
That's all I have.
Mr. Massey?
After reading that, you told us just take care of your children, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, you may step down.